You done do your homework?
Yes, me done.
Me done. Why we play one out another game?
Out another game. Who your mother? Me want play.
Mommy they round the so I wash.
Me want play.
Alright. Anything me say, you fi say tea.
Alright.
Bust a man,
Tea.
buy a pan,
Tea.
fi your hand,
Tea.
and you want,
Tea.
fi wear gapa.
Tea.
Bust a man tea buy a panty fi your auntie, and you want fi wear gapa tea. Hear this here. Merlin Atty go buy 2 patty and stuff in a eye man batty.
Yes, no. You cuss bad word. You cuss bad word.
You go tell say me cuss bad word? You me say batty?
Yes, you cuss bad
What
word.
me say?
Me not repeat it.
No fi tell you here. Me I go play one next game. Anything me say about dog, you must say it about puss.
Okay.
Dog ga market,
Puss ga market.
dog buy yam,
Puss by yam.
dog buy scallion,
Puss by scallion.
dog see hole.
No, me not say it. Me not say it. Me not cuss bad word. Me not say it.
Hey,
No.
you cuss bad word.
No, me never say it. Me don't cuss bad word.
A liar.
Yes,
cuss
you
bad word.
just cuss bad word. You say you just
A
cuss.
untruth you tell. You cuss it. Hear this here one. Me jump on me bike, me dilly,
Hey,
me dolly,
hey,
reach a Ochi.
hey.
Me see some girl a play dandy shandy.
Hey.
They lift up them foot, me see them panty.
Hey.
The party wally like me granny itchy me. You didn't know that? You didn't know that one day?
Yes.
Me know one boy, he name Buck. Me send him go shop, go buy suck. When he come back, a bread and ketchup. He blow bubble gum man, chip up. Me fling him by the bed.
No. Don't
say it.
No say it.
No say it. Nah say it. Hear this. Jennifer, you think me easy? Take $20 and wipe me body.
Maxine? Max?
Yes, mommy.
Come here to me now. Yonder look one there, one slap on for the things you want to eat. Come here to me. Come here.